abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini egudwini.
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events, your trusted partner when it comes to events planning and management. Guys, when we're talking of events, we're talking about any type of event that you want to host. Nyakwazi abaningi sesiyakusama ama-events abe left, right, and center. So be it a corporate, a family, a social, church, political, community event, you can get in touch with Dep3 Events. Ikuncedise stage for hiring sikhona, sound system ikhona, ama LED screens, photography, videography, lama MCs akhona. So just get in touch with Dep3. Usebenzisa ama contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho. We are starting this week on a very sad note. But singafiki khona lapho. My name is Nondudu Zoncube, ngihamba lo General Leslie as usual. Ushap.
Obenqanda nxa ungi-introduce wathi ku-sign language.
Not really. I was saying we're starting ivile on a sad note.
Yeah.
Because silahlekelwe kakhulu in terms of football fraternity.
And social.
Yeah, and social.
Sinatha labo.
Vele unozicabangela utshwala kuphela.
No, anti like ngichasisa ukuthi besiphila la. Abantu la.
Okay.
Basebeshiya and welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. It's your boy again, General Leslie, and like I always say, our episodes are powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic works, whether it's t-shirt printing, banners, whatever that has to do with graphic designing and marketing. Make sure you contact Okuhle Designs namhlanje, and bathe bona sebesenza futhi lama invitation card awomtchado plus lama card lawana wabefakiwe abele program for umtchado lobola programs, any other event. And also ama-church conferences are where they're just around the corner. Siyaphuma siyezihonqweni, siyaphuma siyakuma-conference, and sometimes we want to create an element of class on our events. You need banners, you need t-shirts, you need caps, whatever that you may need that is graphic designing related. Make sure you visit Okuhle Designs in Ngoko. They've got you covered. Sekala.
Yazi ngubambi. Nxa usithi lobola events. Ungikhumbuza kulobhuti omunye yimboni le oeMashonaland. Uselobole ka4.
Ngesikhathi singana.
Kuthiwa 6 years beto.
Well done, brother.
But it's not like ulobola 4 wives, Bill. Ilobola divorce.
But it's actually he's helping families. No. Financially.
Imali in total sebe calculate if you figure I think about 31,000 going on.
Alakati plaza lenkomo. Plaza le Jojo tank lama sola lenkomo. Tiyalo membe imetsile.
Ayalobola kadlala ubhuti.
I think people, because goke kwangani kuba i-trend this lobola thing, especially with this introduction of amalobola squad, the lobola events. I remember ngisasemncane bengimfitshane kakhulu, but kuke kwalotsholwa ngikhaya. And bekuyinto leyana ukuthi like awusuzibone sokugcwela abomakhelwane not that. And abakhonyana bebefika emini entambama. Wenzakala umsebenzi badle. Bahambe ukuthi sibile omunye umuntu sengangabi kwazi ukuthi bekula abantu bemzini lapha. Then abantu sebenxuswa ke emthimbeni nxa sokuthanda.
Ilobola vele ukuthiwa mina ngokwazi kwami maybe families differ.
Yeah.
But from what I know umkhwenyana vele kafike emini. Umkhwenyana is either ufike ekuseni
ekuseni kakhulu kumbe ntambama.
Yes.
Yeah. Khona nje I think abadala bakhona we stand to be corrected. But mina vele ama experiences engangiwazi kakhulu. Awantambama sesivela valela inkomo lapha ubone inxabe le mota sebepakile phandle nxa kuthiwa yilabana abavela khatshana bethiwa ibhasi nxa idlula uhluzo kuthiwa lungiselelani abakhwenyana bafika khathesi anti sehlala phandle kothango ngale sokusenzakala but lokhu kuthiwa sesibizo bani
umkhwenyana ubuya lama-grocery okumphekela yena
kuya-create i-trend
ophiwe i-grocery list
and i-trend lana kugcina soku-part of i-content creation ukuthi cows came home and akuhlali
last lobola yakhe kuthiwa ayihlalanga 24 hours you see but anyway
24 hayi man hayi
bese sithi ufuna imali yakhe back anyway ngicela sikhulume into eziqhakathekileyo so iviki leyi esikiyo silahlekelwe top executive yethu ku Highlanders lo sisi wethu uMbalenhle ababe involved to accident it was a very sad event enzakeleyo and I think people are still in shock like at yes.
Yeah, true.
Because if you are checking even on social media, you will find that people are still surprised now. Yeah. But then enye into engiyibonileyo ukuthi umonakalo lo yes kube ngumonakalo but uhlanganise abantu abaningi from different ngathi
places, cultures, cities, tribes.
Exactly. Yes. Abantu babuthana ngenxa yakhona lokho kwenzakaleyo and people were supportive of each other. People were there for each other. I think that it was showing a good spirit.
Mina ngiqalise before vele bebuya ePF. Ngabukela igame yeMos. Engodluthe idlala. And abo ogege lawana ama-support eMos babepende into zebhoso and kwakule flag yebhoso like behlabela with that rest in peace and yikho bona wona thina sisondane thina sharp angikwazi ukuthi ukuhamba njani because thina si sharp like imagine all enotone le and baba lento leyana uthi ibhoso ilahlekile right and ungakhangela even eBF eSoweto bekulama flag eDimbare flag eMosi bekulesikipa seCapes belama flag eChickenini belama flag eBulawayo City like wonke umuntu ubuyile wafika wathi it's not a Highlanders thing into yomuntu wonke and isinto compana it's displayed because even mina lawe silwa and it then now explains to me ukuthi why mafika izolo kodwa lingabuyisakhala because ngawo lo monakalo I think abantu babuyele ukuthi lapha ngokweBoreni manje but khathesi manje sungokwempilo and I always say abantu esixabana labo eBoreni sokuthiwa wena ngoEdimbare wena ngoHighlanders ngemandi sabe sisebenza endaweni eyi-1 ku-construction sijikelana izitina izitina abanye sabe sesemarolini sesibuzana ukuthi kunamapholisa yini ngapho khona you know things like that so mina ukubona like abantu bebuya ndawonye besizokhala bonke like ngeke ngabona ama-videos unfortunately kwamanye ama-service amaningi nengawahambanga iBF andihlalanga umsebenzi sometimes so ingoma bekuhlatshelwa zonke utholela abantu sebehlabela laba yabo ekukhothama labo sebehlabele yabo yokugida bekumnandi so wonke umuntu was accommodated it also shows ukuthi wena ngokwayo nje Highlanders nje iteam enkulu nje
anti yikho kuthiwa i-team yezolonke
yes but lina manje nxa sokuphelile konke ukukhala liyabe lisithethisa ngeweekend eBF
so kuyabuyela back to back to factory settings yeah and then mina enye into futhi engiyithandileyo ikhona lokho ukuthi it was not only the supporters but you find ukuthi the leadership in terms of national football they also came and state layo yangenela kuma funerals angikhona so ukuthi kuze kusukume upresident weZIFA coming also to pay his respects I think that's a good thing
it is and also this guy I don't know much about football administration years abantu bebhora sebenshout but Magulama big games, whether kukobulawayo, whether kungabani, that guy tries his best to be there. Because sengambona sibili amagame amaningi eBF ku-VIP le team yakhe ezifa bekuyile ukuzobukela. So umuntu involved kulula ukuthi la nxa sokube lo monakalo ahlaphakame ngoba vele yena kadonti uhleze khona ebantwini. It's like uMavundi honorable Mavundi oweNketho, the deputy minister for local governance and whatever. He's always there. Even event okuncane so if he's around kungela parliament uyabe khona. So guaranteed uyabukwazi ukuthi kungathiwa sokulo monakalo njalo uyabukwazi ukuthi Mavundi uyabe khona. So I think especially abantu abaphezulu ngale because kulabanye vele ukuthi vele uyabukwazi ukuthi uzathumela maybe uPA or uzathumela uzibani vele kabuyi. Yena vele uhlezi vele umuntu wakhona akakho vele ebantwini. But mina manje into emali siyo phela iBF bengagcwala.
Yeah, that was
So is it because of work? Like
it was probably because of work. Cause Monday, you know, really it's tricky.
Yeah.
Monday is a tricky day. Very, I think anyway, very Monday is a tricky day. So I think that was expected.
Yeah,
that was expected.
Ngihamba bengizitshela ngiyangena
Monday is a tricky day. Ngoba you find ukuthi kulabanye abantu who are actually outside the country who wanted to come, but they couldn't because it was on a Monday.
Yeah, true.
Ukuthi ngabe maybe it was on a weekend, they would just fly in, attend the funeral, and go back.
Right.
Yeah.
Then
so
I know it's becoming a tired topic enkundleni, but I think baphindile futhi ama-journalist. Katis, when we started talking, saba wrong. Karesi mbone vota sebekhuzana so hayi madoda hayi ama ethics enoku
well uyakwazi ukuthi nani vele indaba yokuthi news ziyathengiswa vele yes yasimoshelayo because you want to be the first person to be selling your news. Anti khona ukhana ukuposta the fact ukuthi they get traffic and they make money from that traffic. So ungaba ngoqalileyo ukuthi announces indaba echisayo. Obviously you have more traffic to your, whether it's a website or page or whatever. So indaba inaleyi vele ukuthi selling news yes phambanisela into eziningi.
But anonti kule anso journalist angikwazi nge-journalist. But I think mina kulo kwehluleka kakhulu because I'm imagining someone who would actually go to the scene, gather information that we don't have. Sesikwazi ukuthi kube lo monakalo and so. I'm imagining i-journalist elizahamba sibileni and find sibili information ukuthi lathi sethi this is a scoop. Because when everyone is just running to the surface and kuthiwe yimi engiqale ngakho, but imagine usufikile sibili waqala and to investigative journalism and check mechanical faults, check what could be the cause. Information engekho ebantwini, people will start following you because they know ukuthi kungaba le story. If you want the depth of that story, liyekela laba bapost that, but nxa usufuna sibili into elengqondo on that story lwa nguye okwazi. But sonke sosigijimela isafe so killed. So
dead. Yeah, it happens. It happens. Mina into engiconcernilleyo is usisi wethu Mbalenhle.
Yeah.
Because from the start, it's like there are people that are actually against her. Ngoba endabeni kuqalisa nti ekuqaliseni even kupostwa ekuqaliseni actually we only knew ukuthi 3 people had died in that accident. And then kwasokhulunywa ukuthi no, there was a 4th person. And then the excuse was no, she didn't die on the spot.
Yes.
That was the excuse. But ngesikhathi likhuluma ukuthi 3 people died, khulumani phela ukuthi 1 was injured. to show us ukuthi acknowledging ukuthi there is another person. But bekungekho vele thina besikwazi kungabantu abayi3 ukuthi there was besingakwazi until people who are not even journalists said no, but there is a fourth person laphana. And then when people started saying there's a fourth, babona ukuthi hayi fourth person lo, people are actually interested. That's when they started ukuthi no, the fourth person has also died. I think that's very poor reporting. And then another thing is sesibona kathesi ngomsebenzi lo kade ukhona eBF. Mina angiboni ukuthi kunormal kumbe kukodwa the way uMbalenhle ase portraywa ngayo. Silabantu abaningi abathi bephila besenza izinto esingazithina in our own perspective esibona ngani izimbi esingazithandiyo so whatsoever. But the reaction from women, I'm feeling like there's probably something else abakade bemlwisa yona of some sort, because nxa kuyukuthi whatever she was doing was wrong ngesikhathi accident isenzakala ube ngakwenzi yedwa phela. Where is the backlash to the partner in crime? You get my point?
Yeah.
So ikonsithi khona ungani kuloku recruitana okube khona ukuthi let's attack her. But umuntu oseziphumulele guys.
Ukuthi mama lomhawu. Lomhawu mama. Because all right, we don't know. Njengami mina I'm narrating from Kachana. So I don't know. So let's say imcabango yakho nxa right wena Leslie ukuthi mhlawumbe kade i-girlfriend yo one wabo, and let's say khonokho i-theory yakho Leslie i-right, and then wasechona then upambanseni because kareswash mato singaqalisa ukubala lapha ama-small house citizens census lana yama-teacher lana sesifuna ukubala. Then also you realize ukuthi sometimes we get frustrated ukuthi why yena laphana, because we also want to be there. So senzondile manje ukuthi so ukungani bemmelele ukuthi one day kuzenzakala something and uzakhawula. Then finally sokusiba lento yokuthi everyone should be ekhala bakithi silahlekile and when no zaze zakhala kade sikumtholile. So kuhle because lenzana loto mama tino baba very tina sekhala sikhalela abanye obaba sure obaba abalomfutho abalahlekileyo. Then mama you decide to like attack each other.
It's quite embarrassing.
But it should be men actually. If it was men doing that, ngabe sithi obaba labo barizini uyakwazi. But mama, of which I'm not saying also they are wrong. I'm simply saying maybe there's a lot of stuff that Tina we don't know. Maybe they're an internal battles because abantu bonke kade bekhuluma idoti kakhulu ngombala ngama diehard Highlanders supporters. Abaseduze sibili mina ndingihamba nyebukela mphume ngendlini. Angikho involved kakhulu association supporters club whatever. I'm not there. Nyamba kuphela ngiqo skipper sami. Mbukele iphorele ngaphela sensendlini semmelela the next fixture. But kulabanye sibili abakhona kwaMphanda sibili abakwazi into eziningi esingazaziyo. So yabonga sakwazi ukuthi enxebe kulama internal grudge o enxena lo okade ngowakhe wayemthathela omunye lwana omunye wasesithi uzakhawula ungasakwazi.
But nxa kade senza ama-shenanigans bengawayenzi yedwa, that's the thing. And also enye into futhi enginanzeleleyo bakithi ukuthweka emfeni sokwavela ngapi?
It's a borrowed culture actually. It's a borrowed culture because ngangale into eveli khona.
Because now we don't twerk.
Yeah,
it's a funeral.
It's like a lot of things have been borrowed when it comes to a culture. Emfeni is esintwini akuchawa ngumvi.
Now, why is it that we borrow things that angifuni ukuthi bad things because kuya ngeperspective. Umnye abe kubona ngani into right, but why are we not borrowing into as beneficial to us and our community? If we are to use the same zeal and hunger to copy the way Hararians are supporting their own artists, for instance, would be far.
No, inking ekhona now on that one is ubulawayo angazi ukuthi
We borrow into ezingelancedo.
not ukuthi we borrow into ezinencedo zibuya labantu bakhona like because in ratio yethu and other tribes kobulawayo vele sishiyene maybe mbijana so
Babuya
kungathiwa
lalela-
kule mfa laphana
lalela lesi.
Eh.
Babuya lapho konke. Manje kungabuya kumbe ngumaster H laphana eQueens laphana.
bahamba futhi bona
Kuba lapho noko phela.
hayi thina siko
Uthoka kumbe kuyathengiselwa na kumbe kwenzwani isibhubhubhu.
Eh.
Kuba lapho noko.
hayi thina
Khetha into ezingalama benefits, ukopa into
asifuni kukopa into ephakamisa omunye. You know, somebody once said it ukuthi if inegoal umuntu esintwini angaba ngumanager ecompany. Akuvamanga ukuthi uzothiwa semfonela abana wami labazawuhamba babuye labo bazosipana. But abonkosikazi bethu bangaba ngomanager ngale ecompany nanti fanele manje waningi umuze uthi awuyena ningi because kunokuyichabaza hana ma qualification ngangouya ngazothi sekhulu ndiye manager. So after 2 weeks security babefakile ethara babefakile like bahlanyelana so ngakhangela ivini indlela ababuya ngayo phela sokufana na I don't want bona usukwazi ukuthi ungafika endaweni le yabathola ungahamba ethethgo laba siphatheleni yakwazi ukuthi vele thola vele bagcwele vele ungahamba lapha thola vele bagcwele
Emakethe,
ungahamba
whatever.
lapha thola bagcwele the only ndawo okuyabe kungani kugcwele abononduduzo kuse PF but eSoweto yakona babe begcwele labo betetiza beshaya isikima zebhozo vele bona ba right mina but I think mina bang inspired because abalandaba abanjalo like abazifihla thina sesifihla singafike ebantwini we don't have that sense yokuthi ayilokho eselingenzisa khona nje ayisikho mina esintwini angenzi lo but bona manje bona siyawombera kade
Ayikuzima, kuzima.
so lathi kumele sibe we should pride in ourselves which is going to take time, which is going to be difficult. Ikubona mina association yami singala abantu abazidinga imali
Lesi lanti siyakwazi ukuthi wena uthethe khona.
mina
So vele you be biased vele. You be biased.
Uncle Bias, I don't want to show umuntu i21 lize liye chale kasamanye ama 21 abe ingadlula phambi kwami besenzani ke bebe catshe ngathi 21
So okay, I wanted to ask something personal, but let's not go there.
don't. But well, above all, sure abalale ngoxolo abakhokheli bethu be Highlanders lombali.
Yeah.
Abalale
I hope.
ama accident and now that we're approaching August it's that time again ama holidays.
I think people uyakwazi ukuthi enye into singakhala ngemgwaqo and everything, but people are careless out there. People are driving carelessly as well.
No, mina ngilama answers. Yabona isyllabus yokudrive iyaqunyelwa kakhulu eZimbabwe. For example, ungamisa abantu abangu-15 la abalama driver's license uthi abayenza ama night lessons phakamisana izandla yangeke.
Akusela my night driving lessons. Uyakuyibona yona imathi driving school ebusuku.
Because umuntu yabe brightile so phakathi CBD etown efaka ama light so like
ngapha khonapho ama-light akhona angikwazi ukuthi wa-brightenelani ngoba uColtard wafaka ama-light
ziningi imota i-interaction yakho iningi vele even ucitshile ama-light ziningi ezokuthi uyakwazi ukubona but ubona umuntu ethe ama-light
I don't think ukuthi in the past 10 years sengaye ngabona imota ye-driving school
ebusuku
i-driver sibikhanya ukuthi kule lesson enzakalayo
sithatha ngo-5 ngo-5 ziyalala ziyangena kusasa ekuseni
manje into enye wesani kulezindawo lezana ezingela amapholisa yabona for example ngithi kuma-mining towns uzathola ukuthi amapholisa ama-roadblock abakhona kuma-main roads phakathi ngale wakazi ukuthi utsheketsha uyathenga imoto ayidrive 10 good years engela license
izekufa acele
engela license
i-license ingcono engakwazi ukuthi veyidinga kuyinkomo kule nto veyidinga ezimbabwe
and vele bengakwazi
and nguyabe sekuthi mina I'm a good driver ngile 10 years
angela license kodwa yeke udrivela lelami wena
phela ukudriver sophepha
iskill
driver sophepha iskill I'm a naturalist no sevuwa
that's ukuthi okunye ke kuyizinto eziserious but zifani so that's why we're laughing so you find sometimes we laugh about serious matters because ziyabe zizwakala ngani ziyabe zisihlekisa so I think sithe RIP to the late and I'm actually impressed with the way umphakathi obambane ngayo besiyabavalelisa eBF I think konkhana nje usitshengise something and then kodwa enye into engiyibonileyo ukuthi ama voice note bantu
ama voice
note lawa trendayo lawa
sendelana libabili afohle
hayi uyabe usithuthumela umngani wakho sithi asinyeye emfeni ubona ivoice note sigcwele iZimbabwe yonke
ivoice note ilayo ilisten once kuthiwa kuyini
viewers listen once
ukhona yini ku voice note konga uthi
but anyway guys kule voice note yedumo ebhodayo we are not going to say the contents of the voice note but hayi thina sibesunkulitshela nje kuphela ukuthi hayi voice note
sizwile message received
sizwile
sayilalela bakithi hayi
abantu liyanyeza imfeni amakuwa
hayi voice note ifikile
but anyway thank you so much for watching enkundleni and I hope you guys enjoyed the entire episode and siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi you guys liyasixhasa locally sixhasa and locally hamba lathi thank you so much and please do not forget ukuthi besemvalelisa ama events
ama-events lami sengikhohliwe ama-events we've got wazwanjuma we've got iPinifa mama Pinifa we've got iPinifa kweni
outfit leli no not in Tarex but ilembu achiyana amalembu but kuvamele sisithiwa isishweshwe yabe kuthungwe yes in a certain way
alright
yeah
khonokho akuchazisayo so we've got iPinifa festival eyabo mama this August I think it's mid August nizalinika ama-actual dates but mid-August we've got iPinifa abanye I think bekusaqanda bakithi so besisazivalele I heard about train party eMpophoma so ngizagijima ngekuzwa full details about train party ukuthi train party malini but they just told me ukuthi tickets are going for $20 ordinary $50 ama-VIP train party so abantu bayasuka ngesitimela bakholise baze bayefika le khatshana then bangafika ngale sebegida bekulisa bebuka imvelo and whatever. So train party is coming very soon. I think it's on the 7th of August. I'll cross check my proper dates, but 7 August we've got the train party. So if you go to Mpopoma Park Station, you can get yourself a ticket from there. Then we've got our very own Deb band ebe launch their album. Unfortunately, it is strictly by invitation. Mina ngi-invitiwe lo no angazi ukuthi bagcine bem-invite njani but mina vele from day one but asora siyahamba so si-invite 15 August right 15 August 15 of August njoba kuyi-strictly by invitation ngizavalela ama-venue lani but 15 August siyabe si-launcha i-Deb 3 band ma ungakabi le-invitation ubona ngathi ufuna i-invitation make sure you contact i-Deb 3 TV team bazayibona ukuthi angazi ukuthi bavetha njani lami imvethiwe ngapasa ngimpazile wena uyafila njani mina nginje so i-album launch is coming through but for those that are saying okay that we want to listen to the music across all listening platforms abo Spotify abo bani you can listen to Deb band khona phana and just enjoy good music. I think okunye sisabona umqando bekusaqanda as well.
Sile film phela mhla ka 1 August.
Oh, is it 1 or 4?
It's 1 I think.
One. Yeah, hey. Sizolobola on the 1st of August. Sizolobola eZimbabwe National Ibulawayo National Art Gallery. Kanti Bulawayo National kuyahamba endaweni eyi-1. Wokhona vele i-National Art Gallery in Bulawayo. Oh yeah. National Art Gallery of Zimbabwe in Bulawayo. And kulo zedla bagcine. Enjize. Bakithi asitshaleni lakho but egallery ekobulawayo siyabe sithi sizolobola. So nxa uhlakaniphile labo batsho nje nxa uhlakaniphile 6 o'clock make sure ukuthi usugqoka isigqoko sakho esihle usuku red carpet la usuhamba khwaphana we're going to have ama celebrities ethu amakhulu bakithi abo Madlela Sikobokhobo abo Sipho Mesenyathi abo Madam Boss Lami so make sure you make your way to Sizolobola. Let's get there and socialize. Ama tickets they're going for $10 on Eliped, I think, but it's something like that. But now when I get information yami ingana isiyo, make sure you visit Madlela Sikobokhobo short stories. I think you can get more information khona. And I think that's all.
Yeah, thank you so much,
that's
Leslie.
all.
As usual, you deliver. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please do not forget to follow Deb 3 across all social media platforms. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, khona lapho, and like and comment. Ama comments and siyawafuna, and we appreciate the comments. And also, do please follow Nondudu Zongcube across all social media platforms. Imota zibuye zizogeza Royal Shine Car Wash, 4th Street, along 4th Street between Bonnet and Masocha Avenue. So I think
Yeah. Thank you so much, Enkundleni team. Notify, subscribe, angazi okunye okwenzakalayo khwaphana but do konkana kokupress ukuthi ube kwazi ukuthi we have done an episode kwenze okwakade sisalibona singalikangela.